Rahul Gandhi has tweeted on the removal of the barricades, and he says now only the Dikhavati barricades have been removed. Soon all the 3 anti-agriculture laws will also be removed. Annadata Satyagraha is alive. Anshul is joining me from Ghazipur. Anvit is there at the Tikri border. Well, the natural expectation is, Anshul, that once the barricades are being removed, the farmers' protest will end anytime soon. Obviously, Rahul Gandhi, the Congress party and other leaders in the opposition will expect this protest to carry on. But clearly, there is this huge pressure also on the farmers that call off your protests. Come on the negotiating table because the people or the commuters are getting inconvenienced.
Very true, Pallavi. We heard Naresh Tikar this morning where he said that if the barricades are removed, we'll continue our march to Delhi. Currently, I'm at the Ghazipur border where barricades have been removed from one side of the border by Delhi police, and on the other side of the I'm currently at the other side of the border where these barricades are still in place. Mind you, these barricades have been put in place by the Kisan Union and not by the Ghaziabad police. Although a few personals of Ghaziabad police are stationed here, they're here to make sure that no law and order situation arrives here. But here, as I was talking to a few farmer leaders who were here, they said that they still haven't got any order from their higher ups to remove these barricades. So if these barricades are removed, I like to show in the visuals. Even if these barricades are removed, the tents that have been placed alongside, they also need to be removed at the earliest so that the road can be opened for traffic. So it still seems a very long haul for the Con people over here to use this road finally and make sure that the traffic is normal again. But yes, since as we know that the hearing is in Supreme Court is on 7th, so it is expected that before that the farmers will also take a few steps and remove these barricades so that they also have something to say in the Supreme Court when the case comes up on 7th of November.
Yes, that's right. Anvit, at the Tikri border, the point which Anshul was making, that the Supreme Court does say that you have a right to protest, but you cannot do so at the cost of convenience to the people. There are medical emergencies, people also have to go to work. Have you been able to speak to the people around there? Are they relieved? Are they happy that this dismantling is finally taking place and opening up of the barricades?
Yes, Pallavi, we spoke to some people who have been staying here at Tikri border or have been running shops and businesses at Tikri border. They are obviously joyous. They are hopeful that this removal of these barricades and opening of one carriageway here will bring some respite to their business that had been shut for more than a year now. Because people are saying that once the area is open, the business might come back on track. You can see as we are bringing you visuals that police are now removing the remaining debris from the spot. 3 layers of barricades had been broken late last night and between early morning today and late last night. This is the last wall of barricade that you are seeing here, which the police have told us senior officials that this will not be removed as of now. This wall will remain here for some time, and probably in a day or two after removing these barricades completely from Ghazipur, they'll see how the situation is, how the farmers react to it, and only then this last wall of barricades will be removed. Right after after this wall, there are farmers who have been camping here since November last year. On the other side, however, on the other side of the carriageway, the barricades are intact as they were, because that road will not be cleared. That is the road where the farmers will continue to remain and continue to stage their dharna. However, the other carriageway is expected to be open soon. Half of the work has been done. Senior officials were here in the morning as well to take stock of the situation. Now the debris is being cleared, but this last wall of barricades and the cement concrete barricade that have been put in place, it will remain for some time, because only after the other borders are cleared, like Ghazipur border is cleared, only then they'll take stock of the situation again and this entire stretch will be cleared.
All right. Thank you very much, Anshul. Thank you very much, Anvit, for getting us all those details from the border. That's good.